Ayan, natuloy na din yung pag-surf lesson namin. Kahapon pa namin tinatry ito pero kahapon wala kaming oras. So ngayon, andito si JR and then si Clifford para turuan kami mag-surf. Ayan. So Taylor understood everything, right? So itong surf shop na to, katabi lang mismo ng Aliya Surf Resort. So kung gusto nyo magpa-train ng surfing and then mag-rent ng board, it's just right next to it. Although na-try na namin before, nag-YouTube lang kami, mga 5 minutes sa Hawaii at saka sa Huntington Beach. So, we didn't really succeed. So, ngayon, meron na kami proper training, so hopefully makakatch na kami ng mga waves. Guaranteed daw, sabi ni Clifford.
Alright, let's go! Sa-share na lang po muna tayo.
Alam mo yun bro, yung bike na may mini wheels. Yan. Yung pala, hinahawak-hawak lang, tinutulak lang eh. You know, like those bikes that has training wheels. So they're just gonna hold it in the back. So he's just gonna cut the video where we're standing. But sabi ni Kuya, yung buwan daw na to, hindi pa season talaga ng surfing. So maliliit pa siya. Actually, mas better sa amin yun kasi beginners kami.
So it's better at night?
No, right now it's not the month for it. It's not the season. So, ang sabi sa amin kagabi, like around Baler, like October, September, November, mga ganong months malalaki.
Alright.
Proper lesson.
Pangalan niyo po, sir?
Ian.
Ian. Report po, sir. Okay, sa board po, dito po sa right side, sir. Okay. Sa board po, meron tayong dalawang tayo, ha? Ito po yung tinatawag natin po na regular. Tapos ang kabila naman po ay so, this is your first time in Baler?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, dati.
Maganto to.
Okay, regular po. Okay po, sige po. Okay, ngayon, paalala ko lang po ha, para pag nasa tayo, ma-remind na po. Diba po yung kailangan full body nyo, nasa gitna lang ng board. Tapos, ang hawak nyo na po lagi dito sa side po ng board. Tapos sabi ko po ready, okay, yung kamay po, baba ang shoulder, bend yung kanang paa. So, bilang po ako, 1, 2, 3, up, push up po. Forward yung kalawang paa, pagbitaw yung kamay, bend po, support nyo, mas harap na. Kung kaya nyo pong, yung kamay nyo po, gamitin po yung kamay. Sama po. Tapa po. Okay, tapos sabi ko po ready. Okay, ready, position. 1, 2, 3, up. Forward po. Kabila yung kamay. Bend po tayo. Tapos balance po tayo. Okay, sige. Tapa po kayo. Tapa po. Okay, pag sinabi ko po ready. Okay, ready po. Position ng kamay pa. Okay. Pag ganyan po, shoulder nyo po, ibaba nyo lang po. Bali yung kamay nyo lang po yung okay? Pag ganyan, makokontrol po yung board, baka mahulog po.
So,
Yan. So, pag sabi po ready, yan, kamay lang. 1, 2, 3, up po. Yan. Dito po. Bend po tayo. Tapos. Okay. Sige, isa pa po.
pag nasa dagat na, mahirap na to.
Okay, pag sabi ko po ready, okay, ready? Okay, position po ng kamay sa paa. 1, 2, 3, up. Balance po, spin. Move forward lang po kayo. Balance. Number 1. Ayos po, yung ganun pinasa ka na dito. Yan, sakto na po yan.
Bro, pwede mo kunin ngayon para kunyari nakatayo. Diba?
Edit na natin yung dagat.
Edit mo na lang yung dagat.
Show us.
Sir, papalit lang kami ng board, sorry.
Ah, sige. Para sa
Palit lang kami.
doon sa damage.
Isa pa po.
Contigo
And guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-surfing. It was so much fun.
Oh, yeah.
Like, talagang it's different when someone's like showing you how to do it properly. Because before we just YouTubed it and then it was a lot harder. This time it was easier. I guess kasi pinupush sa likod. So the timing is easy. They're gonna tell you when to stand and stuff.
Yeah,
so
and when to paddle after you're done getting pushed. Like they tell you when to paddle, they tell you how to stand. It was really fun because I actually learned how to surf instead of just trying to guess on my own.
So talagang kahit na beginner ka, talagang dito sa Baler, mag-i-enjoy ka. I think every age.
Yeah.
Yeah, young, old,
There were
like,
little kids
still-
doing it, and they were enjoying too. So I mean, really.
Pero talaga sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa Baler. May titignan pa kaming falls at tsaka yung Balete tree. Pero right now, syempre, nakita nila na nag-post kami ng mong dialing sa, Mercedes de Braso. Braso de Mercedes.
I knew it.
So, nanghingi sila ng mga pasalubong. So, bibili muna kami and then bago kami pumunta sa falls at tsaka sa Balete tree.
Yes, the mother falls.